Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm again covering the generative AI of the Plum API 2 from Google exactly. So previously I have covered the text prompt, now I'm covering the chat prompt exactly. The chat prompt is a conversation between the two persons, the back and forth chatbot conversation exactly. So in the first video I have explained the text prompt model exactly, and one of the person has commented out for the chat prompt because I have told in this video I will be covering this one as well. So now I'm covering this one exactly. So let's first create one chat prompt, and this is very simple chat driven section where you can write hello and it will reply you back. That's all. So like this you can chat with the bot exactly. So now how we can do this with the help of the API, we will dive into the code, but before that we will go through the Postman and how I have created the code and what are the things that I have done. We will look into this. Okay, so I have started my node-bound server here. Okay, now I have asking a question, and if I go there, it says I'm doing well, thank you for how are you today. Okay, so this is a very simple question that I have asked. Now I will be asking the second question. So in a chatbot application, you do not have to stop these servers exactly, and you can see it is replying you back, though the time is wrong here exactly. And if you cancel this out and again another one, if you hit done, and obviously it will take a little bit of time, but it replies you back. So you can see the content, the questions I'm asking, the reply. So I have just replaced the AI reply with this object exactly. It was coming with some other name exactly. So I have replaced it and called it AI reply exactly. So now we can dive into the code, and as you can know, you obviously have this chat basins, model sections and all those things. Now if you go into the code, if I go into the code, same old code like the other one, but here is a difference. Here is a Discuss server client which we are using exactly, and this is Discuss server client through which we are getting the client now. But if you compare my old code with this, it was a text service client exactly. So I have put both of the codes here exactly. So now if you can see, there is an example of I have put in over here in the example, and that example can go here. For example, for future fitness reference, the option set to every request and prioritize over history. So there is an exception for those things as well. Now I am taking the message and pushing this to in a message array over here, or object over here exactly with the content, and now whatever I'm getting back, I'm just putting it into this candidate content exactly. And the code is more or less the same, but the model is different here. It's a chat basin 0001. But if you go into my old code, it is a text basin 0001. So obviously the things are changed here a little bit. It's not like doing in a straightforward way. There is a simple changes. There are certain changes that you have to do, and all the more or less settings are there with this. I find it these are the perfect measurement that we can go into the parameters of this chatbot exactly. But you can also use this chatbot with the socket, so it would be very good to use with this socket section, and create your own chatbot interface instead of Google's this chatbot interface, and it would be a great project for you to do so with this. And that's all from my side here, and obviously I will be putting my code as usual in the GitHub code link in the description. And if you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.